Yes, I'm gonna do another video. I'm back. I'm gonna film a haul video because I went sourcing over the weekend and I got some things and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm wearing the same outfit as my last video, but I'm gonna stagger things, so I'm not wearing the same outfit. Trickery, it's trickery. I need to reapply some lip product. Guys, I'm obsessed with these Bare Minerals Gen Nude Matte liquid lipsticks. They're amazing. This one is in the color Smooch. The color that I wore, I don't think I have it right here. Oh wait, I do. This is the color I wore on my wedding day. It's Infamous. It's such a pretty nude color. And this one is like a, oh yeah, very different. This is like a muted like violet color. I don't know, it's really pretty. Not too much of it though. Otherwise I look like I have dead lips. Do you guys remember when wearing concealer on your lips was the thing to do? What the hell? First thing is this North Face jacket that I literally like stepped in front of an old woman to get. She's very mad at me, but lady, you were taking too long, sorry. So this North Face puffer jacket, it is a size large. There is a stain on the back, but it's not too noticeable at all. I mean, otherwise it's in excellent condition, really cozy. Yeah, that old lady was not happy. And I like, every time I saw her in aisle, she was looking at my cart, like eyeing the jacket. I'm like, lady, get over it, come on. Found these Nike leggings. They are a size small. They're like a paint splatter. I thought these were cute. I found these cabbie leggings. I have never purchased cabbie, here comes Nolan. I've never purchased cabbie leggings before. I purchased cabbie pants and shirt. There's the tag, they're a size medium, and they're just this like print, I don't know, blue print, and they're full length. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how these guys do. These Bershka jeans, I sold a pair of these before. I got these in some type of box, like a Jomar box, I think, maybe. Apparently this is a really good denim brand because those jeans sold pretty quick. These are a size 2. My phone is blowing up. Oh my gosh, people are purchasing. This is good. Okay, yeah, these are a size 2 and they're just a high-rise straight leg jean. You guys know, if it's pink Victoria's Secret and it's blingy, I'm gonna get it because it sells. This is a size medium. I don't know if you can tell, but the bling is rose gold. Found this Free People We The Free sweatshirt. It's a size extra small, but it definitely fits like a small. I don't know. I don't know. It's got like stars and shit on the side. Like, oh, are those like mountains? I don't know. We'll see. This sweatshirt is in the men's. This is Ivy Park. It's a size small, but it definitely fits like a large. Like, it's pretty big. It is kind of cropped though. It's Chaser sweatshirt. This is a size extra small. Definitely fits like a small. It just says love on it. Rock Revival jeans. Well, these are the Debbie bootcut jeans, size 27. I'm giving this brand another chance. I didn't really have much luck. Actually, I think I did sell my other ones. I don't know. I feel like a lot of eBayers hype this brand up. It's kind of like Miss Me. Guys, I'm still so pissed that my thrift store marks up Miss Me jeans now. Like, it's actually nutso. I saw somebody post something on Instagram. They're like, stop tagging Goodwill and thrift stores in your hauls because then they like know how much you pay for stuff, and they, I don't know. I feel like thrift stores do have like a specific team of people that like look for that stuff. So yeah, just stop tagging stores in your hauls. What's the point of tagging them anyway? It's not like they're gonna see your post and be like, oh, we're gonna sponsor you. Like, no, just stop tagging Goodwill in your hauls, okay? Just stop. All right, this is a size small. This is cute. I wish this wasn't cropped, but it's just like a color block sweatshirt, cropped. The lighting is doing funny things when I do that. Super cute. North Face Denali jacket. This is a size large. It's a really pretty green color. This already sold. I'll show you guys this anyway. Another thing to look out for, Pink Victoria's Secret sequin or like leopard cheetah print stuff in their cowl necks. They sell. This already sold, but I'll show it to you anyway. Looks like that. I gotta put this aside. I didn't do shipping today. Ugh. Guys, it's hard to do like shipping every day now that I have an office because I don't go to my office every day. Still trying to get into like the groove of things. This North Face jacket, this is a size extra small. I don't know what this jacket's called. Fuzzy pleated? Like, I don't know, it's really soft. Pink Victoria's Secret, just a really light windbreaker with dog logo. I feel like this is really good for spring. Spring, guys, we want spring, we want warm weather. We just got a snowstorm over the weekend. We literally got 12 inches of snow. Fucking awesome. Okay, Champion sweatshirt. I'm starting to be more picky with Champion. just because I feel like it's not selling for me the way that it used to. This is a size large. I like this because of the color and because it has a kangaroo pocket in the front. On this Nike sweatshirt, just lime green. This is a men's medium or a women's large. North Face jacket. This is a men's large or women's extra large. I don't know what's going on with my voice. Just looks like this. Pink Victoria's Secret. Guys, this is, again, their sizing. This is marked as a small. No way in the world is this a small. Where's the arm? This is huge. This is a large, maybe even an extra large. It's huge. It's huge. It's just tie-dye with a dog logo, nothing on the back. It's a Lululemon shirt. This is the 5 Mile High shirt, I think. Really pretty blue color. It's got thumb holes, I think. What? Are you lying to me? Oh no, it does. It does. It has thumb holes. Size 8. Victoria's Secret sweatshirt, sexy little things, it says on the hood. Okay, this would be cute, like a Valentine's Day-ish, you know, if you like comfy, cozy V-Day, right? Yeah. Cute Adidas shirt. This has a specific name for it. I forgot what it is called. It's in the listing. It's got gold 3 stripes with this floral print. This is a vintage Gitano shirt. Did you guys wear Gitano back in the day? I wore Gitano jeans. Actually, I have a pair of Gitano jeans in my closet. Oh my gosh, I forgot what size they are. Hold on, because this would be like such a good throwback outfit. Hold on, now I need to look and see what size they are. Hold on, hold please. I've had these jeans for a while. I'm really surprised that no one has purchased them. They're a size 28 and they look like that. So picture those jeans with this shirt. You guys, I freaking love this shirt. Am I gonna sell this? I actually love this shirt. It's very oversized, like boxy. Oh my gosh, do I want to sell this? I actually love this. It's got like a mock neck. I actually love it. I actually love it. There's the tag. I don't know if I want to sell this anymore because I actually love it. What else can I show you guys? We have this Urban Outfitters sweatshirt. I just got it because it's like hot pink and I don't know, it's cropped. I thought it was cute. Athleta pants, I forgot what they're called. Somebody just added them to a bundle though. I think they're gonna purchase them. They're size 6. They're like the hybrid, Highland, high something pants. Look like this. They've got like a wind pant material, kind of sorta, and like a legging material right here. I found these cute ass Nike shorts that I want to keep for myself. I might keep for myself. Look at that color. Oh, so pretty. And they say, just do it on the back. They're size medium, and they've got like the liner inside. Guys, my shorts that I love Lululemon tracker shorts, and they're hottie hot shorts, the most comfortable shorts ever. I like lived in those all summer long. I have like a million colors, most comfortable shorts ever. I don't know if I'm gonna sell this because I like it. It's just an Adidas sweatshirt. There's no size on it. I would say maybe like a large. It's just this green color with like Adidas on the arms. I don't know. I feel like this would be cozy to just lounge around in. Okay, I've sold this sweatshirt quite a few times. This is a size medium, pink Victoria's Secret. Just really pretty mauve gray combo. Lulus. I said I'm not going to pick up older Lulus unless they're a bigger size. These are a size 10. These are an older style. They do have some pilling. I do need to do some work on them. But, you know, I just decided to pick them up. They got like a rainbow freaking waistband. They're cropped, kind of wide leg. All right, so that is it for this video. If you see anything that you want to purchase, everything will be listed in my Poshmark closet by the time this video is up. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.